Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new art journaling tutorial in the Dina Wakley Media Journal. I'm creating kind of a vintage spread today with a lot of collaging on the background. I glue my pieces down with heavy gel. I use the one from Vallejo because it's the cheapest one I can find in my online art supply store. I'm very sorry for my autofocus this time because I forgot to change the settings on my camera. We have this movement. I hope you don't mind that too much, and I will think about this next time. I'm using different bits and pieces to glue them to my background. I have maps, leftover papers, book pages, some pattern papers. These are things I've collected in the past and I've never used it. I will speed up the process a little bit because it can be very boring to watch when I glue down papers. To blend in the background a little bit more, I'm adding gesso with a palette knife. While my background is drying completely, I'm coloring in my main images. I'm using the Doodle Flower stamps from Rubber Dance. For those of you who are new to my channel, Rubber Dance is my own stamp company. I took over the company from Bibi Lindahl from Norway last year, and I'm very happy about it because it's one of my favorite things. I love pressing stamps and I love designing new stamps, and you see that I love to work with stamps. I'm very sorry for the rooster in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but he is very loud while I'm doing my voiceover. I color in the stamped images with Inktense Pencils. I'm adding more texture to the background, also with some stamps. These are the grungy circles. I'm using StazOn ink because I'm working on a non-porous surface, and that's the best ink, and it will dry very quick.
I'm
adding some color to my page with Deco Art Media Fluid Acrylics, and I spritz it a little bit more with water and ink up my whole page. And now I'm going to wipe most of the paint away, and this adds a nice wash of color. I wanted to add a complementary color to this orangey red, so I'm picking Prussian blue and I use Liquitex ink. I apply it in the same way as I did it with the red ink. For my focal point, I wanted to create a vase from an old tea bag. I am not sure which tea I've made with this tea bag, but I believe it could be green tea. I'm stamping it with the Rubber Dance Vintage Script stamp, and I will also add the Buzzy Bee. I wanted to add some yellow to my page because of that yellow flower, so I'm picking Neocolor crayons. I'm using yellow and an orange, and add some spots of yellow here and there. To finish up my spread, I'm creating the vase from the tea bag and glue everything down. I've stamped my sentiment to tissue paper, cut it out, and now I glue it down with gel medium. That was my page for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope we see us next time. Bye!